A new Texas bill would require youth camps to create flood disaster plans and have those plans ready by next May. Lawmakers say they found multiple problems with camps being unprepared after last week's hearings. KENS 5's Andrew Moore explains what this bill would change.
Currently, camps are required to have emergency plans, but they don't need to give the state or county a copy, and no one reviews if the plan is effective. So lawmakers are now moving forward with a new bill that would change that.
After the Kerrville hearing, it became apparent to me and to you that some of our camps were not just wholly unprepared for this catastrophic event, they were wholly unprepared for any flooding event.
Right now, in the state of Texas, camps are inspected once a year. The inspector only checks if emergency plans are posted and if they address specific topics. Also, last week, we found out Kerr County did not have emergency plans for most of their camps and couldn't require it.
We have 19 camps. I think I have emergency management plans for, they've been submitted by the camps, probably 6.
But HB 19 would change all that. The bill would require camps to create an emergency flood plan, share it with the state, and share it with the county. The Division of Emergency Management would then review the emergency plans for effectiveness. If the plans did not meet basic safety standards, the camp would have 90 days to fix them or face a daily fine. No one opposed the bill in yesterday's committee meeting, although the chief of the Texas Division of Emergency Management said he really did not want that division in charge of regulations.
I think I've been on record many times, we should never be a regulatory agency.
Still, lawmakers want to make sure someone is reviewing camp emergency plans, especially when kids are involved.
Being ill-equipped to handle a flood as a private citizen is one thing, but as a campground in charge of the lives of children, many of whom know nothing about the rivers or their dangers, is malpractice.
Representative Drew Darby also said this bill would eventually require camps to post emergency plans online, which they are not currently required to do. Back to you.